This is question 5 from the AS Mathematics exam from May 2024. So it's a little bit of trig. So first of all, we have a trig identity here, so we need to prove that this equals this. I'm going to start with the left hand side. There's probably arguments for both, and I'm going to try and change this around a bit. So tan theta is, I know, sine theta over cos theta. And then 1 over tan theta is 1 over sine theta over cos theta. I hope you're familiar enough with this, because we can then go sine theta over cos theta, and then if you want, times top and bottom by cos theta, or just flip it upside down, plus cos theta over sine theta. So we're going to now get a common denominator. So I'm going to times top and bottom of this one by sine theta. So it gives me sine squared theta plus cos squared theta all over sine theta cos theta. And of course we know sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals 1. So that's 1 over sine theta cos theta, and that of course then equals the right hand side, and that's our identity done. Part B, solve 2 sine squared theta plus 2 is 7 cos squared theta, 7 cos theta. So we need to use the fact that sine squared plus cos squared is 1. So we know sine squared plus cos squared is 1. So my sine squared, I know then sine squared theta is 1 minus cos squared theta. That's just me rearranging that. And I'm going to exchange this here for a 1 minus cos squared. So it's 2 upon 1 minus cos squared theta plus 2 is 7 cos theta. That gives me 2 minus 2 cos squared theta plus 2 is 7 cos theta. I'm then going to take everything over to the right hand side because I want a positive squared. So it's going to give me 2 cos squared theta plus 7 cos theta minus 4 equals 0. Now some people I'll just do it, let cos theta equal x, just to make life a bit easier whenever we're solving this quadratic. So 2x squared, you don't have to do that, plus 7x minus 4 equals 0, and then we're going to factorize that. So you should know how to factorize a quadratic. People have different methods for doing it, but I think we get 2x minus 1, and then we get x plus 4. So that gives me then 2x minus 1 is 0, or x plus 4 is 0. It gives me x is a half, or x is minus 4. Changing it back then, that means cos theta is a half, or cos theta is minus 4, and that one then has no solution. So we're left then with this one, and we want then cos theta equals a half, and we're asked for solutions between 0 and 360 degrees. So I find my basic angle. Again, people have different ways of doing this, and the basic angle for this then is going to be 60 degrees. And a lot of people use a cast diagram here. It's up to yourself. So we have 0, 90, 180, 270, 360, C, A, S, T. I want where cos is positive, so I want this angle here, and I want this angle here. So I measure that one, that's going to be 60, and then it's not the 360, so I'm going around this way here, and then with symmetry, because that's 60, that must be 300. So my two answers then are theta is 60 degrees or 300 degrees.